Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the essentials: an iPad 10th generation running iPad OS 17 or later and an active Apple ID. Once ready, open Messages and enter any conversation. Make sure FaceTime permissions aren't blocking the camera. Tap the Memoji/Memoji icon to begin. The camera view appears and you'll see the existing Memoji row. From here, press the plus button to start creating. This jump-starts the process immediately, so you can build a Memoji without pausing for extra setup. You now customize, pick a skin tone and tweak details like freckles and blush. These visual choices shape your Memoji's realism. Next, select hairstyle, hair color, and any headwear. Make sure to try contrasting colors for visibility. Move to facial features. Adjust eyes, nose, mouth, and add accessories like glasses or piercings. Use the color pickers and brightness controls to match your likeness. Once satisfied, tap Done to save the Memoji to your collection and make it available across Messages and FaceTime. Finish by using your new Memoji in Messages, FaceTime, or as stickers. Tap the Memoji or camera effects to apply it. If you want changes, long press the saved Memoji in the selector and choose Edit or Duplicate to refine details. If something goes wrong, make sure the camera permission is enabled in Settings. Restart the iPad if the camera won't initialize. Also verify iPad OS is updated. These steps close the loop, so your Memoji works across apps and stays editable when you need tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.